lovely Spoolumi here. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to wish you a very happy new year. I hope you have had an amazing holidays just in the past and you are just kick-starting this particular year. So today is the first day I am putting up a video for this particular year. Oh my god, I'm so grateful that we are here together on this particular day. So today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this particular makeup look over here, like particular eye makeup look over here, which is basically this one. It is so classic, so edgy, and yet so easy to do that I was blown away when I just ended up creating this. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I achieved this particular makeup look over here, so please keep on watching. So now as you can see that I'm up with my entire face all beads done up and my eyes are prepped and trying. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly start with my quick little mini tutorial. For this you need like a brown kohl pencil. For that I am taking today the PAC Kohl long lasting kohl pencil. It is in the shade coffee brown. So I'm just going to quickly take this pencil and I'm just going to draw a nice liner thingy onto like this part of my eyes, like as if I am just elongating the lower lash line. Just keep the lower lash line as your guide and just draw a flick onto like this area. You do not need to be precise because you will be blending it out later on. So that is what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to draw a flick onto like this area, and if I would have done like a cut crease I would have gone like onto like this area. So I'm just going to again take the same pencil and I'm just going to draw a nice curved line onto like this area of my eyes. You do not need to be very precise while drawing these lines because you will be smudging and blending them out. So whatever you have done is perfectly fine. So now as you can see, when I'm done with this kohl pencil, I'm just going to go ahead towards my Morphe Truth or Bare palette, my minimalistic everyday palette, and from this particular palette over here I'm just going to grab this beautiful shade over here, which is basically this one, and taking this beautiful shade I'm just going to start blending this particular line, and I'm just going to use a tiny pencil brush to do this. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking some pigment onto like this pencil brush, like onto the tip of the pencil brush, and I'm just blending this particular area. I'm just going to do the same thing onto like this area. So now at this point when we can see that we are done with that blending, so what we are going to do is we are just going to take this beautiful shade over here, like this neutral creamy shade, and taking this beautiful shade onto my fluffy blending brush and dusting off the excess, I am just going to give this portion that final blend. So I am just giving it that final diffused look. So I'm just using very light-handed motion, and I am just using tiny motions to just buff everything out and blend everything out and to make everything look very seamless. Now going back to the shade I started with, now taking it onto a brush, I am just giving this particular portion of this wing. So now I'm going to go towards a concealer, and taking some concealer I'm quickly going to clean up this tiny little area down this particular curve that I have created. So now I'm just going to go towards a concealer, and taking this concealer over here I'm just going to clean out this tiny little curved area, like the curve which I have created. I'm just going to clean out the area just below that curve, and then I'm just going to put some color onto that particular area. Now when we are done with that cut crease, so what we are going to do is we are going to take the same palette, and from this particular palette I'm just going to take this beautiful neutral shade over here. I just love using this particular shade. It is so good. I'm just going to take that shade onto my flat brush and I'm just going to pat it onto like the area which I cleaned up using that concealer. Now for this particular corner of my eyes I'm just going to add some little metallic touch onto like this area to give it that nice some amount of bling. So I'm just going to use this particular shade over here, which is basically this one, and I'm just going to take this shade and I'm just going to put it onto like this area and under my brow bone. So now as you can see that I'm done putting on that metallic shade onto the inner portion of my eyes and onto my brow bone. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some mascara and coat my lashes. So I'm just using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place mascara, which is basically this one. It is their mini size. You can definitely purchase their bigger one. This mascara is absolutely my cult favorite. The reason behind this particular thing is it does give my lashes volume and length at the same time, which is basically a rare thing for a mascara to achieve. So now when I'm done using this particular mascara, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go behind the camera, put on some falsies and complete the other eye, and I will be right back. So now I'm back after putting on my falsies and completing the other eye. So this is how my makeup turned out to be. I'm super happy with how simple yet edgy this turned out to be. I am just in love with this particular makeup over here. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this entire video, and if you guys have enjoyed watching this entire video, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.